Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we explore powerful customizations in Hexagon EAM to help you work smarter and visualize more. Today, we're highlighting a custom Ext JS script that adds dynamic work order charts directly into the EAM interface, giving users real-time insights without ever leaving the screen. This script introduces a new Show Work Order Chart button within the work order form. When clicked, it launches a window with 4 chart panels, neatly arranged in 2 rows. Let's walk through what you get. In the top row, there's a bar chart showing work orders by priority and a pie chart breaking down work orders by department. These help supervisors instantly spot workload distribution and resource allocation. On the bottom row, we've added a 3D bar chart that visualizes work orders by problem code, perfect for identifying recurring maintenance issues. There's also a flexible space for a 4th chart or additional info, which can be customized based on your needs. What's powerful here is that all these charts pull data live from backend grids. That means the visuals update automatically whenever the data changes, no refreshes or exports needed. Let's put it to the test. We'll create a new work order, assign a priority, and set the department to MAINT. And just like that, you'll see the updated counts reflected in the charts instantly. This is a great example of how custom Ext JS scripting can turn raw EAM data into interactive dashboards that support better decision-making and faster analysis. If you found this useful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more real-world EAM customizations. Catch you in the next one.